Hey guys, so welcome to today's video. If you don't know me, my name is Rose, and my husband and I are worship and tech pastors here in Texas. So today is a really exciting day because we are getting our Cinemation Designs micro drum enclosure. So it is on the way right now. We're going to show you a little before and after of the enclosure and what it sounded like before, what it's going to sound like after we get it set up, and kind of show you if you are maybe interested in this same enclosure. So enjoy the video.
This thing's bolted down to it.
Yeah.
Will it turn sideways right here? We can put it.
Drag it on down.
Drag it on down. Off right now, might as well take them off. That's where we get it on the wheel. Yeah, just get it down.
Oh yeah. It's getting louder all the time.
Having to fully clean it. It came pretty nasty, so that's one thing about it. Having to vacuum that whole thing, and then we're gonna have to clean this whole front, which that's just from touching it, so I can see that. But the vacuuming, I feel like could have been done, so I don't know. Very nice though. Hey everyone, so it is now the end of the day. I am back home. It was quite a long process, but it really wasn't too bad. So I'm standing outside right now. Manny's inside putting some groceries away, but I wanted to step out. Just to let you guys know about our experience. And so yeah, anyways, we had a really good time today. It was really, you know, a long process, but it really wasn't bad. They came in these, came in two pieces, or two pieces came. And it was in these huge wooden crates, and so it came in this big semi with these huge wooden crates, and we had to, or they did, I didn't do this part, but they had to take basically part of the crate apart to get it out of the truck, and then we had like a little forklift kind of thing to get it out of the truck. So definitely a big process, not something that you can just grab and go with one person, but it really wasn't too bad once we kind of got it figured out how to do it. Then we ended up going inside, you know, putting everything, getting it put up, and so obviously I had to take the drums and put them in, and we labeled each wire so that we would remember what it went to, you know, that kind of thing, just to make it simpler on ourselves. When the drum enclosure came, it was actually like pretty dirty. And so it was like people had been walking in there, and then there was a lot of fingerprints on it. It was a lot of like almost like sawdust kind of stuff. So it was definitely dirtier than I had expected it to be. So we had to vacuum it, we had to wipe it down. I thought it would have come pretty much just like ready to go, but it didn't. So that was kind of a little bit, you know, held us back a little bit, but it looks so nice. We're so pleased with it. It is definitely helping our sound. It's just really, it made the stage look more modern, but most importantly, it's going to be amazing for our sound quality. So we're really, really pleased. So yeah, let us know in the comments if you have any questions about it. This is the micro enclosure from Cinemation Designs. They are awesome. Their customer service has been really great. They've been very sweet people. And so yeah, we ended up, it took about 6 weeks to get it done. They said between 4 to 6 weeks. And for us, it did take pretty much that full, not pretty much, it took the full 6 weeks. So it took a little while. They said they had a lot of orders coming in. It was busy time for them, but it was totally worth it. So let us know in the comments if you have any questions about this. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Remember, you are incredible. Jesus loves you. See you later.